This is a head of locks that has not had any maintenance for like a year. He has some locks that are flat. He also have patches that we're going to try to save that he allowed to lock together. See here, the hair is matted. It's like this in so many different places to where the hair is damaged and it's breaking. And again, flat locks. So we're going to have to do a lot of maintenance on his hair over time to get it back to a healthy state, as well as get his locks to form back in the burl shape and not the flat shape. Some of these are heavily matted together. I managed to loosen this up by gently pulling on it. I really don't want to break the hair if I don't have to. So what I'm going to do is take my shears and just cut it a little bit like that to break up that little web. You have about 4 or 5 inches of new growth. And here's one of those flat locks that we got to get turned into a burl. I'm gonna take this loose hair and just wrap it around. And then in order to get that, I'm just gonna gently back and forth palm roll to get that to shape back into a burl. Just do it a few times. And then, well, and I'm gonna tighten this last part. Loosen it up. Surprised that did that. Look at this.
How you gonna fix it?
So much damage right there that it broke off. So the way I'm gonna fix it is, you got a lot of hair in here that's broken off. So I'm gonna add these two together to keep from cutting it and turning it off. I'm just gonna put that together and then do the technique. So then I'm gonna take this loose hair, you see that? Through that one. And I'm gonna just wrap it around. Make it out of one. Take that hair. There we go. We saved the day.